This is Pratiksha from Sustainability 101, and today I'm going to take you through the entire bootcamp which we have planned on GHG accounting, which is greenhouse gas accounting. So this is a website of ours which starts by explaining you the exact emission which we comes and account from the company. There are various kind of activities which your company is doing and releasing gases, and due to that global warming or the temperature is rising. So there are certain frameworks like greenhouse gas protocol, ISO 14064. We are going to use multiple such frameworks and going to learn about it and help companies to reduce that. So as a consultant, if you are joining this is an amazing and fruitful workshop which you can take. And this year of 2025, July, August, September, October month can be used to enhance your knowledge. Now let me take you through further that what we are going to provide and what is the GHG accounting. So greenhouse gas accounting is a process of measuring, managing, and data collection through the different departments, and helping the company to get the data in a specific unit and calculate it and organize how we can reduce the emission which we are account for. So this particular boot camp is going to give you the idea how to do it, and more like a hands-on experience, because we have a separate session on scope 1, scope 2 calculation, which I'll tell you later. But yeah, how we have planned this advanced 3 module boot program, as I have personally taken multiple courses and found out that we lack a lot of factors when we are talking about GHG emissions accounting. So we have a 150 slides each day to explain you how do you conduct GHG accounting with a very minute detail. We have taken it from experts. We have done the review of our slides. Atik is the one of the best educator we have got till now, and he's going to take you through entire GHG accounting process. So GHG accounting is span across July and August month, which is 2 month, basically all Saturday Sunday, where you have a live session. So this is not a self-paced program. Then SBTI and mitigation target setting, we are going to actually take you through target setting. There is a detailed workshop lesson plan is available above in the lesson plan. You can download that and check the entire material. If you want us to teach something more, you can let us know. We have a carbon market a boot camp, where again we are going to take you through an entire journey. So this is 4 hours daily course, which is Saturday Sunday, because we want you to take through one day 4 hours, where we are going to give you the entire idea about compliance, carbon market, the next day voluntary carbon market, and then later CBAM calculation, which is really, you must be hearing CBAM multiple times. Boot camp is 50,000 rupees, but you can see that we have 23,600 including GST. The price is that way, and you can take this workshop with your friends, with your colleagues, whoever would like to start a career in this particular industry, and it is really going to helpful. The salary, I would speak about that, like lot of people are really GHG account verifier or GHG emission related decarbonization related job, and they are literally having a great salary because they are actually doing the work which is needed right now. And the pricing and the structure of this workshop were developed with a consistent research. Even I take a lot of effort to build courses and activities in my organization, and we are doing this since 2 years, so it is quite comprehensive. We have utilized our entire community knowledge, my LinkedIn peers knowledge, and the educators which we have as a mentor and speaker. So yeah, since January 2023 we started with 60 participants, and we are actually having this cohort also. We want like 70-80 participant, because we cannot talk to 150 people in the one cohort. So we'll have another cohort next year. But definitely, if you would like to register for a recorded courses, you can come back. Is this a boot camp for you? I mean, yes, this is the boot camp for you, because we are getting into details. This is not a short term course, this is not something which you will learn it in a quick bite. It's not a reel. It is a extended version of movie regarding GHG accounting boot camp. Yeah, and we have a two experts. One is Atik has a great profile. We have Shubhi, who is going to take a carbon market. We also have 2 3 more speakers who are going to join us, and there will be more mentors who will be helping you to understand calculation. They will be answering you in the group which we are going to create. Why should you join this course? Help you understand and assess GHG emission better. And yeah, definitely, and it is growing. You can see more than 9 out of 10 Fortune 500 companies reporting to CDP and using the GHG protocol. What are we going to provide? Definitely a lots and lots of insights and calculations, how to do a calculation. We are going to do a lot of activity. Every lecture there will be pre-quiz and post-quiz, then there is a case study or something which we will be giving to you. And yes, there will be a certificate. So every time you complete each particular module, this is a 3 module program. So for GHG we'll have a different certificate, for SBTI will have a different certificate, carbon market will have a different certificate. Also there will be a exam at the end, which is 50 marks exam and one case study project. So you have to complete that in the group or personally and give it to us. So we will be having whoever passed the exams with a 70% score will be given the certificate. About the previous workshop, so if you would like to understand what we have done, so we have an entire module, short bits and pieces are cropped and put it for you to see it, so you can do that. And definitely the live case study solving, even with the CBAM also we are going to do the calculation, and don't worry, it is going to be very extensive. And these are the testimonials from our peers. We have added few, but honestly there were like 100 people join our GHG bootcamp till now, and 100 is a huge number to call up to. And definitely, as I told you, the job market, you can see the many bigger companies are actually hiring carbon management guy, GHG reporting guy, carbon abatement guy, and it's you will be having a good career after that. What we have a FAQ section as well, where we have written what are the frequently asked questions by you. If you have many questions, please do not hesitate to ask, and you can download the lesson plan here. You can see the Excel sheet like this. I will be showing you the Excel sheet right away. So this is the Excel sheet which we get, and it says that entire cohort detail and entire modules which we have shown, the holidays and everything till carbon market. We have entire plan is ready. We cannot show you the PPTs which we have created, but definitely join in so that you can see those immediately. And thank you so much for listening to me at the end. Bye.